Have you ever wondered how a simple ballpoint pen comes to life? It is a marvel of modern engineering, born from raw materials and precision. The journey begins with a blend of petroleum-based plastics, metallic ores, and chemical pigments, all gathered to create a tool of durability. First, plastic resin pellets are poured into massive hoppers. These will be melted down to form the sturdy outer casing of the pen. Simultaneously, iron, copper, and zinc ores are refined in high-heat furnaces to produce the metals needed for internal springs and clips. The ink is a sophisticated chemical mixture, where deep pigments are blended with solvents to ensure a smooth and smudge-free writing. Experience: high-speed injection molding machines then work with incredible speed, shaping the hollow pen bodies and caps with absolute mathematical precision. Elsewhere, precision stamping machines press thin metal sheets, instantly forming the iconic silver clips and the tiny springs hidden inside. At the heart of the pen is a tiny tungsten carbide ball, which is precisely fitted into a machined metal housing. An automated vacuum process fills each cartridge with ink, ensuring no air bubbles interfere with the pen's performance. Robotic arms then move with lightning speed to assemble the cartridge, spring, and casing into a finished product. Every pen undergoes rigorous quality control, with machines scribbling miles of circles to guarantee a consistent flow from the very first stroke. Finally, the pens are packaged and sent to the world, ready to capture your next big idea on paper.